how to switch to dark mode on Google Chrome on your mobile device. Whether you want less strain on your eyes or you just like the look of dark mode, it's easy to change the look of Chrome, and I'm going to show you how. Okay, straight into it. Open up Chrome. Hit the three-dot menu on the top right-hand corner of the screen, and then click on Settings. Scroll down to find Theme, and then select Dark. And that's all it takes to switch to dark mode on Chrome on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.